What is up, guys? We are here at Mount Rainier National Park. We are at Ohana Campground. We're going to do the Silver Falls hike loop, do some fishing, of course. That is the theme for these hikes this summer. We're going to also try to do some jumping and swimming off some little cliffs, and it should be a really good day. Really excited. It looks really pretty, this river we're going to be hiking along, so I'm pumped for that. No church service.
There's church up here.
Wait, church up here would be sweet. Mount Rainier, baby.
Her body's gold like September. She burns through the night like an ember. And all those things we try forgetting.
Holy cow, that is incredible. I'm so gonna walk that log and dive off of it. And then back there in those pools, that is rock jumping heaven. Got this nice lady walking across. Nice balance. Wow, what a beautiful spot. This water is just incredible. It's like really bluish green. How cool. If this is an actual hot springs, I will be so excited. I mean, is he excited for hot springs? Wow, it's heated as it moves through pressurized rock layers underground. That is so cool. This is really pretty. Feel this. I'm really excited. It's gotta be hot. Oh my goodness! It's not hot, but it's warm. That is so cool.
This water right here is so hot. It's way hotter than the other water. Oh. Where your feet in it? It's so hot.
Oh my goodness. This is actually like a hot tub.
And all the reckless things that we do keep us young, they're good signs, they're good signs. Take a little more if you need it. Voices of the night won't mislead it. The tide pulls me in, but it takes slow. Here's to the nights we let go. And I'm hoping that they figure out it's all about the scenery along the route.
Got one.
No fears and no problems.
Let's see it.
These moments
Ooh,
are so
that's pretty.
kind, so kind. All the good comes in waves.
Yes!
About
You
my
got
time
it!
by the ocean. And at night I'm awake to feel the wake of your motion. And I want something that's feeling.
Alright, I was just walking by this lady earlier. She said, oh, he's not gonna catch a fish. I mean, it's Andrew, he's gonna catch a fish. And then when I walked by her again, she's like, do you catch one? And we're like, yeah. She's like, how big? And I was like, not this big. And she was like, so this big? And I was like, no, this big. It's true.
I don't need what I've sold. I just need something good. And I know when we're old, we'll look back and say some mistakes we made, they made us who we are. These games we played.
Alright guys, that waterfall jump was money. Super cold, but super worth it. It's actually higher than it looks. Now Andrew's gonna do the really freaking high one. He's insane. Wait till you see this.
At night, I'm awake to feel the wake of your motion. And I want something that's feeling alright.
You're insane! Look at that! That is so sick! Look at it from up there! You're the man! Alright, so cliff jumping was fantastic. We did a little bit of swimming. Now we're fishing again at this beautiful pool. I feel like I say this so much, but this is just incredible. Check this out. I mean, look at that color. That's just absolutely incredible.
All the good comes in waves. I buy my time by the ocean. And at night I'm awake to feel the wake of your motion.
Alright guys, we made it back to the trailhead. We are now at the little campground area in a nice little swimming hole. As you can see down there, it's absolutely incredible. There's a cool log to walk across. We're gonna hang out here for a little bit before we head home, see if we can't have some more fun on our adventure.
At the moment that I met her, well, I'll be back in due time, in due time. Touchdown, throw off my own two shoes. Still the same city I've been used to. And all the reckless things that we do keep us young, they're good signs, they're good signs. Take a little
The
more
scary
if
trip
you
back.
need it. Voices of the night won't mislead
Made it.
The tide pulls me in, but it takes slow.
Alright guys, we finished our hike for the day. It was some good swimming, some good fishing, some good hiking. Andrew only broke his ankle a little bit. True. So we are off home, 2-hour drive, but we'll make it work.
All the good comes in waves. I buy my time by the ocean, and at night I'm awake.
Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a like. Comment if you please, it would mean a lot. I spend a lot of time on these videos, and it's really cool to hear your guys' feedback. Be on the lookout for more adventure videos, because there will definitely be some more before this summer is over. And in the meantime, make sure to adventure, discover, explore. Alright, I'll see you guys later.